What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois, on this beautiful day, bringing you this new arrival 1970 Chevrolet Brookwood station wagon. This thing is cool. A personal favorite of mine because Mr. Jenkins here owns a 70 Chevy Impala, so I may be biased, but man, does this thing drive great and look great. Perfect summer cruiser. You could fit the whole family in here. Ice cold air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, air ride suspension. This thing is just awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood for you guys. Edelbrock intake manifold, 4-barrel. 350 small block Chevy, basically stock, rebuilt, HEI ignition. Car's got disc brakes. It is a great car. Somebody put console and buckets in here, horseshoe shifter. Thing sounds great. Here's your aftermarket radio. Looks stock. It's got Bluetooth and all the modern functionalities. Your air ride controls. I mean, just take a look at the interior. It's in great shape. This car is a survivor. I'm sure some of it's been redone, like the paint. Here's your owner's manual. But I'm sure that a lot of stuff has been redone on the car, like the paint. But these 70 Chevys, especially the wagons, are really, really hard to come by nowadays. So, especially a Brookwood or Kingswood wagon. Here's how you roll down your back glass. There's your back wagon window glass. Everything back here. The wagon door opens two ways. This is one of them. Nice little step stool right here. That's what they was designed for. And this was the last year of this body style wagon. The 65 to 70. 71 was the bigger Impala series wagons. I believe they called the clamshell wagons. There's your spare tire location. No spare, but that's where it would be located. And then, almost forgot, your storage bay. There is all of your air ride suspension. Just an awesome wagon. Closes nice. Everything lines up great. And this thing just appears great. Back seat area. Really, really, really spacious in this wagon. Like I said, you could fit the whole family in this thing if you really wanted to. And bring them to car shows. Go just about anywhere with this thing. It drives so well and looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. Closes nicely, lines up great. What a great car. These are really hard to come by nowadays, that's for sure. If you are interested in this 1970 Chevrolet Brookwood station wagon, you could call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars at our location in Addison, Illinois. You could visit mjimclassiccars.com to see all of the inventory and details on this station wagon. We offer special financing with great monthly payments on our classic cars and shipping all over the United States directly to your door, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. So come on out before it's too late. You don't want to miss this one, because this is a really cool car. And we get new stuff in every day, so keep checking the website and the YouTube channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you here at Jim Classic Cars. And I want to see this car in somebody's garage, because it looks gorgeous here, but it'll look way better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.